Okay, so I'm going to round this last 5 minutes up by preparing us against our long course into online marketing. Then for those of us who are developing web and mobile applications, even for online marketers, you will learn HTML, CSS. I hope you are listening to me. Everybody in that class, everybody in this boot camp, everybody will learn HTML and CSS and JavaScript. If you don't understand JavaScript, you must know HTML and CSS, because everywhere you are going on the internet, this is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website here that I'm creating a staff company for someone is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is JavaScript. Everything on the internet that you can use your browser to open is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we are not saying you should build website, but you must know how a website works, so that when you go there to do a marketing or to add your marketing details or tools, somebody's making noise, mute your microphone. So if by the time you're going to get access to your tools, you will be able to, somebody is having their microphone not muted. Ishaka, mute your microphone. Okay, so everybody will learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and that starts tomorrow. Join in tomorrow. You join in tomorrow, we'll look at how to create a page on the internet. Everyone is going to participate in creating their own page on our hosting server. For example, this is my own. Let me show you. My own here is learn. This is what I'm going to be marketing. learn.mylifeseed.org. Now, if you have paid for your course, I'm going to give you that grace to also have access to your own link. So your own will look like something like, let me see. I think somebody paid this morning. Let me create one for someone. Let me show you quickly. I'll go to cPanel. Here I'm in cPanel. If I go to my tools here, I can decide to create I'll create your own domain for you. Once I discover that you are serious with marketing, I'll create your own domain and give you access to start selling what you want to sell. So for example, I'll create one for one of the people that have been trying so much. Let me give it to him so that I'm going to add your own website for there. Now only him at the see for group, now only him they share something, now only him they chat, now only him they design, now only him they communicate. Okay, so it's going to be this dot my life seed. Or do you have a name you would like me to use that you will use to put your product and sell something? Let's use this as an example. Let's use.
Yes, sir. I have.
What?
Universal trend.
Universal trend.
Yes, sir.
It's too long. Which kind business name is that? Now buy this.
A name too long, Abby.
Yeah. Well, let's use it and see. universaltrends.mylifeseed.org. All right. So I'm creating your own website. For now, later you can pay me. I'll remove the my life seed. It will now become universaltrends.com or universaltrends.org. For now, they're going to be hosted on my server. So now you have your website existing, but there is nothing in the website. So now that there is nothing in the website, I'm going to allow you to have SSL. I will install SSL for you. And then I'll put up an application that will allow you to sell something. And I'll show you how to start selling. So let me give you an example of what you'll be selling, how you can, the application that I'm going to deploy for you to sell. I want to see what you will sell. So you have your own website now. It's going to look like foodhaven.com.ng. All right. So this is it. So when you come to foodhaven.com.ng, this one belongs to one of our students as well. He set up the website for himself and the wife, and they are selling food items. So if it is food you want to sell, You're going to learn how to upload your own food items like this and put prices and begin to copy the link and share it to your church members, your village meeting. But make sure that your prices are a little lower since you are starting. Make sure you update your price. So your own can be dress, your own can be shoe, your own can be bag. This website is available. I developed this website and you are going to have it all for free because you are going to learn and also support our business to grow. This website was developed over the course of 4 years. But because I want you to jump into online marketing and start making money for yourself, I'm going to make it available for you so that you will not go and look for 1 million naira to build your own website. So that is one of the advantages you get being part of our bootcamp and our platform. So the next thing we'll be looking at is how you can also update your own store. So I can also add your own blank store now, and then I'll make you to start. But let me see your designs. I want to know the products you want to sell. If I discover that you added some of my own product, like courses too, so I will also add some other features for you. So one of the first benefit somebody will get is a website. It's an application, and that application is worth millions of naira. And the reason is, I think the person has shown interest that he can do marketing and is ready for online marketing. Okay, so if you are set, I want to see what you'll be doing with what I'm going to teach you, and then I'll show you where you start selling your own product as well. I think I have my own second here, shop.mylifeseed.org. And here, there's no site yet. What I want to do here is to sell computers, flash drive, and data, airtime, computer, flash drive. So all the students that are seeking computers, laptops, flash drive, memory card, and all, will be selling it in that place. So we have already gotten some systems. We will start selling them. Anybody will sell, will collect in percentage. So let's kick off and let's see how many people we can invite from our store online to come and buy what we are selling. So I want to believe that with this few small motivation, you are going to think about what you want to sell. That is the first step in online marketing. What do you want to sell? Um, who are the target audience you want to sell it to? And then what is the strategy you want to use? Every online marketing campaign has a strategy. And then so we discussed about trust strategies, and we'll see which one we will adopt for the type of product. So we talked about defining your key strategies, your strategy on how you can utilize these tools to eventually sell. I also have another document I prepared again. It is even more a little detailed. I'll share it. If I see your performance in this online marketing campaign that we're going to get involved with, either by questions or all, I'm going to give you that document as a bonus. All right, that document has a lot. It has a lot more details, and then I'll also give you one
Thank
for
you. Thank
product
you.
marketing. So in this case, I designed this based on the tools I use, and they are all available. All right. So we'll see. Okay, no, not this one. It's a different document. See, product management, online marketing. Yeah, it's another 12 weeks online marketing day-to-day course. But this one has been structured in a way that AI can read through it and guide you, create a video for you for your campaign, and make everything so easy. So you'll see how you can do ad creative and copywriting, all right, retargeting and programmatic basics, then strategies for social media, then how to do paid social campaign properly. Then you learn segmentation and personalization of audiences and emails and SMS. Then we do automation workflow and drip campaign, analytical and data-driven insights. We will look at all of these things A to Z. If I see your seriousness, then I'll take you through project clinics and iteration, which is final step. So if you are ready, I am ready. I'll meet you tomorrow by 1 p.m. Make sure you don't miss this class because it is going to be so sweet and your guys are going to start envying you. So let us see how we make money. For the videos, it's going to YouTube. You're going to get access to it. If you have any question, don't ask me here. You can ask me on WhatsApp. You can drop me a voice note. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can call me on phone if your voice is sweet. Thank you very much.
I know get sweet voice. My man, I dey streets.
So now be say, you know, call me. Use. Tell one girl right near you, make she call me.
I mean, the girl won't make the money.
So now be say, send her, make she come visit me. Ma teach her one on one.
No, 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 the package she be.
I want give her one on one lecture.